top end we're gonna bust out. Customer brought all their OEM parts. We just gotta pull this apart, make sure there's nothing too crazy going on, and it should be a quick one. Only thing in question really is the valves. I think he said he's got about 100 hours on this one. But now every top end, I would recommend getting an OEM cam chain in there. Pretty clean for 100 hours. Nothing too crazy. That looks more like 100 hours. Okay. Okay, we got all the valves. I don't know what to call it. Unsprout. We're gonna check out the faces of the valves. Check them up together. No one's not too bad. It's a little worn, but not dished. These ones are iffy. There's a lot of hours on them. Same with the cylinder, all disassembled, oil and dirt off the lip. Alright, so we got the head all cleaned up. We decided to do new valves, so we finally got some new valves. There's some wear on the edges here, which is just a sign that they got a lot of time on them. He said he has 100 hours, so just to be safe, we're gonna do some new valves so they don't break and cause a whole big problem. So I'm gonna throw those in and get this thing back together. Put a little dab of oil to help keep yours move around smoothly.
No, get rid of the cowies.
Alright, new valves are in. Alright, we got everything shimmed up. We'll double check it once it's all together. Tech tip, is always cut your park bags right there. So now none of this or any of those staples are gonna get somehow stuck in that motor. I always take my gloves off for these because my gloves like to get pinched. I got that in. Do a couple checks. Use a non-synthetic oil, mineral-based oil, because it helps them break in a lot better. Mineral-based oil. Alright, we got the head all torqued down, the main bolts. Got the valve train in. Everything's timed up. Got top to the center. We gotta get our cam chain back in. This is not gonna go in smoothly with this starter, so I'm going to pull this starter. And pinch is nice and tight. Alright, we got a fresh top end done. Just in time for the weekend.